If you bought the 14-inch M1 Max like I did, you're probably looking for a good laptop sleeve that is protective, that will fit it well. And today, I got the MOSISO 360 I bought off of Amazon, and I'll leave a link down below, and it was only $16.99. You heard that right. Let's check it out. Let me go ahead and just unbox this right in front of you, as it's literally just inside of like a bag. Comes with another bag to be able to hold your charger or other accessories. And in an upcoming video, I'm going to attempt using hard drive magnets to secure this to the laptop sleeve directly. So make sure you're subscribed for that one. Now I do wish that this unzipped all the way around, but you can see inside it's nice and soft. Kind of resembles like a higher end blanket. And it has some cushion on the inside here. And the 2021 14-inch MacBook Pro will fit inside of this, no problem. Then we'll take the MacBook Pro, slide it right in. It's right up. Again. It does have a little zipper pouch here. See that? I'll let you know how well this holds up over the next couple of weeks. I'll catch you in the next one.